Trevor, 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 Trevor.
So, welcome to our latest video. As you can see, it's a bit of excitement. We've ordered parts. We've already changed some parts on the car, and Thomas, we're going to do another video about that in a few days. But we've got some new parts that are going to go on Trevor 241 soon. So what have you got there? That's a brake caliper. So we've got new brake calipers to go on the front, and we've got new vented brake discs to go on the front. We've got new windscreen wiper arms and blades to go on, so we'll put them up there. We've got a full service kit: fuel filter, oil filter, spark plugs, air filter. So that's that. We've got gearbox oil. We need to get the engine oil and the differential oil, but we'll get that locally. We have got two rear brake cylinders. They go on the back, yeah? Yep. They are front shock absorber bushes, oil pressure switch. We've got some springs and some pins to fit the rear brake shoes. You want to hold that? We've got new rear brake shoes. We've got upper ball joints, lower ball joints, and trap rod ends. New handbrake cable. They're the trap rod ends, and we have two back plates for the rear brake drums. So that's for the handbrake. Oh, there's a clevis pin in there for the handbrake as well. And we've just ordered new brake lines and new rear brake drums. So the car, it's solid underneath. We've had it at the mechanic. It's solid underneath. The chassis has already been repaired by the previous owner, so it will go now. It runs, but it'll stop. It'll have new brakes, and the steering will be pin sharp. So when we get, we're just waiting for the inner tie rods to come. Once they arrive, it's going to go up to the mechanic. It's going to go up to the mechanic, and we're going to get all that work done. And then we'll be test driving. So please please subscribe, check out our Instagram channel at Trevor_241. We're going to do an update video with some of the parts that we've put on. We might even put some of these on ourselves, and we'll do a video, and you'll see Thomas going round showing you everything in the video that we've fixed on the car.
Because I'm going to be his cameraman, basically.
He's going to be my cameraman. Well, he might be the cameraman, I might be the cameraman. We might swap.
And maybe I'll be the camera kid, because I'm actually 7 years old.
Camera kid. Okay. Okay. So please please subscribe, please comment, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.